अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे Honor X8 के बारे में।
Honor X8, released 2022, the 24th of March, 177 gram, 7.5 mm thickness, Android 11, Magic UI 4.2, 128 GB storage, no card slot, 4.3%, 7,70,000. 950 HITS 46 become AFAN 6.7, 1080 times 2388 pixels, 64 MP, 1080p, 6 GB RAM, Snapdragon 6804G, 4000 mAh. Network technology GSM, HSPA, LTE. Launch announced 2022, the 11th of March. Status available. Release 2022, the 24th of March. BODY dimensions 163.4 times 74.7 times 75 mm, 6.43 times 294x030 in. Weight 177 grams. 6.24 ounces. Build glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. SIM single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby display type. IPS LCD. 90Hz size, 6.7 inches, 108.7 square centimeter, approximately 89.1% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 times pixels, approximately 391 ppi. Density. Platform OS Android 11, Magic UI 4.2 chipset, Qualcomm SM6225, Snapdragon 6804G, 6nm. CPU octa-core 4 times 2.4 GHz Creo 265 golden, 4 times 1.9 GHz Creo 265 silver. GPU Adreno 610. Memory card slot no internal, 128 GB, 6 GB RAM. Main camera triple 64 MP, f1.8 wide, PDAF 5 MP, f2.2 ultra wide 2 MP, f2.4 macro 2 MP, f2.4 depth. Features LED flash, panorama, HDR video 1080p, 830 fps, selfie camera single 16 MP, f2.5 video 1080p, 830 fps, sound loudspeaker, yes. 3.5 mm jack, yes. Comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 AB, GN, AC, dual band Wi-Fi, direct Bluetooth 5.0, 2. DP, LE positioning, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, NFC. Yes. Market, region dependent, radio no. USB Type-C 20, OTG. Features sensors, fingerprint, side mounted, accelerometer, compass, virtual proximity sensing. Battery type, LiPo 4000 mAh, non-removable charging. 22.5 W wired MISC. Colors, titanium silver, midnight black, ocean blue. Models T-File X1, T-File X2, T-File X3. Price $193.36, €209.99, 169 British pound and 99 penny.
अब हम इस मॉडल की पिक्चर्स और 3D इमेज को देखते हैं।